In this quick video, I will show you how to easily open a short position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign-up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So to open a short position, we need to go up here on the right. First, you need to choose the margin mode. I recommend you to choose isolate right here. And then we need to choose the leverage for our short position. In this case, I'm going to go for a 5x for the beginning, click on confirm, and then we've set that up. Then we need to click on open position and then choose the order type. A limit order would mean that at a certain price we set, for example, at $105,000, only if the price goes up to here, then our short position will be executed. What I recommend you is just choose market, because the market order will be executed immediately at the current market price. Next up, we need to choose the order value, so how big we want the position to be. It will be shown right here in USDT. I also recommend you to choose nominal value USDT right here. And then let's say we type in, for example, a $1,000 position size. We're going to use $200 of our own capital times a 5x leverage will equal a total position size of $1,000. Then I can also add a take profit or stop loss down here. If I click on here and then on advanced, I have very quick, easy options. Just go up here to open short. And now I can say, for example, when I'm 43% in a profit, I will make $77 of profit and the price is automatically calculated and set in here. And I can do the same for my stop loss. Let's say when I'm down 8%, I want my stop loss to be there. You will see $14 of a loss and the price is automatically calculated as well. Then I can just click on confirm that right here, and it's all set up right here. And then all I need to do is just click down here on open short, confirm it, and now I'm already in my short position. You can also see it in the chart right here. Here's where we entered. This up here is our stop loss, and this down here is our take profit. If you scroll down a little bit, you will also see all the important information about your open position right here, and that's how you can quickly open a short position. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.